Welcome everyone, and hello to the first SoundSeal webinar of the year with some exciting new product news on our end. My name is Max Fisher. I'm the Strategic Development Manager over at SoundSeal, and I'm joined today by Aaron Duncan, our Inside Sales Manager, and we'll go through some exciting additions to our product offering here with you today. As many of you are familiar, there is both a chat and a question function on the side. We'll be monitoring both, so if you have any questions as we go through the content, feel free to put those questions there. And without further ado, let's jump right in. So of course, many of you know SoundSeal for either all or some of these product types in our offering. Of course, we have a plethora of architectural interiors, from fabric wrap wall panels to our PET product line, etc. We have our traditional core business of the industrial segments. Those are our quilted fiberglass curtains, our composite curtains, interior and exterior applications, our acoustic masonry line within the ACMU line, our flooring underlayments, which is our Impacta line, and also our wood trends offering of acoustic wood products throughout. Today, we're here to talk to you about our new EchoWool product, freshly launched just yesterday. This is a cementitious fiber product line, and we're going to share some more information with you as we go through. It is nestled in our architectural offering, but of course, any of our SoundSeal partner can help you out in accessing those products and information about them. I'll let Aaron take it away.
So what is EchoWool and why are we here today? Honestly, we are looking to play in the space that many have for many years, and we thought it was well overdue that we bring a cementitious wood fiber board panel to the market that we think is superior and extremely competitive. If you guys are not familiar, there are a couple out there, but EchoWool is just a really durable acoustic board made from 3 products only: some aspen wood fiber, Portland cement, and water. So extremely sustainable, very eco-friendly, and our version can be utilized both in an interior environment and an exterior environment as well. So it's also highly humidity resistant, moisture resistant in that regard. Of course, it can be applied in so many different versions, but the most common would be direct mount to wall and ceiling, and then finally a traditional lay-in ceiling tile product. But SoundSeal is extremely excited to provide you guys service on this product once and for all.
Excellent. Thank you, Aaron. So what we'll do now, we'll go through each of these new products in the offering one by one, and then we'll wrap it all up with a detailed slide, and of course then address any questions that may be in the audience. So starting off, the direct attach wall and ceiling panels is sort of the core of the EchoWool lineup. Here we're looking at standard panels up to a size of 2x8 sheets. We can do square or beveled edges, and the panels can come in either a natural finish, which is sort of a natural wood color, or painted in any color. That's both factory painted from us in any desired color for the project, or they can be field painted, and of course we'll have instructions on field painting and paint types used as we go through. I almost skipped over it, but the product, of course, also is available in 3 different thicknesses. So anywhere from a 1 inch, a 1 3/8 inch, and a 2-inch thickness is available for both the direct attach wall and ceiling panels.
Of course, ceiling tiles are a big mover across most architectural spaces. So the typical 2x2 or 2x4 in a standard 15/16 inch grid is what you're seeing here. And again, the same thicknesses that Max had spoken about earlier, 1 3/8, and 2. And of course, the same ability for us to do a natural finish or a painted finish, or that natural finish can get to you for the ability for the team installing it to also spray on site to color match in the facility. And again, this typical for this would be a square edge detail.
Absolutely. And then last but not least, we're also offering 16 exciting designs. They are routed directly into the panels. They can come both on the ceiling tiles or on the wall or ceiling direct attached panels. And there is a multitude of patterns available, as you can see on the screen. If you do have, for some reason, a custom pattern idea, please bring those up to myself or Aaron. We are more than happy to check with you and let you know what's possible. If you know me, I'll always say the sky's the limit, but certainly these are some pre-existing patterns available, and you can build tons of fantastic looking wall and ceiling design elements with that. All right, let's move on to the fact sheet. Aaron, I'll let you go on with this one.
Yeah, absolutely. No, so why Sound Seal? Why EchoWool? Well, let's get right down to it. We believe this is really a superior product. I'll give some insight there. Our tolerances are much tighter than the competitors out there. I would dare say we're within a 16th to an eighth of an inch almost on the nose every single time, which makes installation a breeze, a lot less cutting and truing up in the field. Why else would you want to buy EchoWool from Sound Seal? It's because we can deliver it extremely quickly. We believe we will be quicker to your job site, quicker with the quote request. Our typical lead times will run anywhere between 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the options that you're looking for. And to be quite honest, there aren't many public projects out there or even commercial projects out there that don't have some format of this in it. It is a very popular product, and we believe we can run with the best of them out there. Outside of that, we have same great testing for both acoustic and for fire. This is a Class A product. We have the ability to do a bunch of different things with mounting if you need it, and it goes up extremely fast and easy. They're typical fasteners, and the weight of this is typical to what you would see in other cementitious boards out there. Something great that I like to point to here is people say, well, others have a 4x8. Why do you guys only have a 2x8? Well, this product is very heavy if you've ever handled it in the field, and we feel like this is a much easier product to handle in that size. And we haven't had too many issues with people saying, hey, I have to have a 4x8. You can make a 4x8 out of this product by putting two 2x8s next to one another. The other side of that is it's a lot easier on the crew, a lot faster, and it gives you a lot more flexibility for field modifications. Max,
Excellent
anything
points,
else to
Aaron.
add?
One last thing, as you guys know, of course, we are an acoustics focused company. So you see two different testing methods, two different mounting methods for the NRC values on the screen here. But all of these products are also tested in various other mounting types. So C25, C50, D20, D40 with different types of air spaces or backloading. So any of those tests that you guys would need, please reach out to myself or to Aaron. You can reach me at mfisher@soundseal.com, and you can reach Aaron under aduncan@soundseal.com. And all of our contact information is also out on the website. So if you have any questions, need any particular information, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. And we're very excited to have this product as part of our offering. And we know that it will give you some exciting options for your projects going forward, all while you continue to get the great service from SoundSeal and everyone within our team.
Excellent. And I'll build on that and say we are ready. Our team is ready to field requests on this right now. So please send your project request to us for us to take a look at. Send us your takeoffs, and we'll get you those quotes back as quickly as we can turn them.
Absolutely. And then, Aaron, just one quick question on what about lead times? How quickly can people get this? Stock is ready.
Yeah, stock is available right now. We're actually stocking several container loads of this, if not more. So on a standard turnaround time for a natural finish, 1 to 2 weeks. If we're adding bevels and painting, probably an additional week there. So anywhere between 2 to 4 weeks is where we're comfortably sitting right now. We're ready to mobilize this and get it on a truck and out the door to you. So the touch points are easy, the freight is competitive, and our price points will be competitive to the market.
Fantastic. That's great to hear. Well, with that, we want to leave you with some more images here on EchoWool, which is, of course, a highly durable acoustic board in our offering. It's extremely eco-friendly and moisture resistant. It is for interior and exterior applications. So we're very excited to show you guys another offering, another part of our offering that can help you realize those projects that you work on. And with that, we'll continue to control noise in every environment here at SoundSeal. That's all from us today. As we said, please reach out if you have any questions, if you need additional information. The website sections on EchoWool are live and available right now as we speak. And then we're excited to touch base with you on the other end. Thanks for joining today.